The title for this video is Where's Our Package? It's been so long since we've had it. Unboxing it, happiness, and I want to share it with you all. Let's go! What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 All right, great people, y'all are about to go on a mystery hunt with me as I look for and go to find a package that was delivered to us from America with some goodies in it that has been very ambiguous about where it is. All we did was receive the tracking information. It told us that it was here. It was for us to go pick up. It just says it's at this pickup point. We don't even know where the point is, but we're gonna figure it out together and we're gonna see. What we will learn in this process is where to have things shipped to, because we are used to things shipping to us, not only from the Take a Lot, but even like just things, right? We operate business here, and so we have to have things shipped. So this is gonna be a good exercise and experience to see where we should get things shipped to. But it's a mystery. I mean, I gotta tell y'all the story of it too. But we'll see if it's at this here Postnet. Who knows, we'll see. Great people, I think I found it. This lady, her name was Z-E-N-A. I think she said you pronounce it Zini. She pulled it up and all that good stuff of where it is. It arrived on the 2nd of October. Oh my gosh, there's a whole story behind this, but I think I found it. God is good. So come to find out, it is located over here. This is the post office. How about that? It's here.
Thank you. You are amazing.
And so the plot thickens, great people. You actually have to pay to get your package. It was like 3 different fees that I saw, which I wasn't expecting to pay. Therefore, I have to go and get my card so I can pay. The fun doesn't stop, but I did see the package, so thankfully the package is there. Now it's all about paying to get it from there to here, which are my hands, in which we'll do an unboxing of the things that are within the package. I'm also excited about, and yeah, the fun doesn't stop, but the adventures continue. I wasn't before, but now I am prepared to pay. I did pick up a snack, garlic rolls in South Africa. Oh my gosh, I'm not a bad person, but if it's a bread I will eat every day, it's this here garlic roll. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish this before I walk inside. We have a package, great people. We have a package. Now it's time to go unbox it. All right, great people, so story time behind this here particular package, which, oh my gosh, the price to ship it here from the States, I'm gonna tell y'all that, but nonetheless, this package was shipped September the 13th or 14th, and it arrived October the 2nd. So you do the math, 2 weeks and some change of how long it took to actually get here. However, it was shipped through USPS, United States Postal Service, and it was charged $160.95 to send this package. I say all that to say, it's love. This package is love, even just sending the package, not even knowing what's in the package. I have an idea what's in there. You all don't yet. But all that to say, oh my goodness. So here it is, 2 weeks to get it shipped here. Now, not only that, but then like I said, I had to pay 235 Rand to receive it due to fees that were charged, which I wasn't expecting it, but it's all good. I wanted what was in this package, so I'm gonna pay it. However, it does give me the thought ahead to know that when we do ship things or order things and things like that, we will have to pay a fee to retrieve it. So with that all being said, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, great people. Rain, are you excited?
Yes.
Ricky, are you excited?
It's for all of us?
Oh, that's what will make you excited if it was for you too?
Yes.
Let's say it this way. You will be able to partake in what is within this box.
Yes!
Oh, now you're excited. Interesting. But, you know, I didn't ask our family member back in the States whether or not she wanted her name to be said. I was trying to keep it all ambiguous, but obviously there's a gender to it. And so, you know, if you comment in the video, you'll be shouted out. You'll be pinned to the top. for our Thanksgiving for you in this package. Like, whew, I can smell the goodness coming from it already. All right, great people. So opening up the box. Oh my gosh. There's more excitement. Oh, they thought about you, Rain. A unicorn slap bracelet, which these bracelets are amazing. And for Ricky, there's a Hot Wheel car. Oh my gosh. You love Hot Wheel cars. Don't stop, get it, get it. Don't stop, get it, get it. What? We have some McCormick, you know what I'm saying, top shelf. Creamy garlic Alfredo sauce, which is always a hit. And kids, I have some taco seasoning from back at home. This is my go-to stuff. And then there's some other ones as well. Some street taco mix, fajita mix, taco mal mix. Oh my gosh, y'all just don't understand the level of uppage that our Taco Tuesday are about to go to. And just when I thought I forgot the taste of these, it has come back to me. Great people. Oatmeal pies, little Debbie cakes. Oatmeal pies, little Debbie cakes. But not only is there one, but there's two. So that means I share with you all. If it wasn't two, I wouldn't be sharing with you. But in the fact that there's two, we got Debbie cakes. All right, let's see what else we have. I'm mad at you, brother. You should be opening it. But also, we got some other Debbie cakes. Now, these are the ones that's like cookies, like the oatmeal no, I don't know. It's like oatmeal pie chocolate chip cookies. I don't know what the box says. There's no box, but I remember seeing these, and I'm gonna eat these. Thank you for that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have some Tony. The kids even love the Tonys. We also have some Badaya, the Zobo seasoning. Okay. Oh snap. Some oregano, which I know Chrystle loves. This girl loves oregano and rosemary. Then there's also garlic powder. Oh, snap. It's these things that you should bring if you move it to South Africa. But anyway, we have some garlic powder and some onion powder. Oh, snap. Y'all, I'm so excited for Taco Tuesday next week. It's already about to go over with these two seasonings alone, okay? So then from there, what else? Oh my God, some Everglades seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning. I never seen it, but we gonna use it, why not? And then we have some cilantro leaves. Wait a minute. Some mozzarella chicken seasoning. Oh snap. This is like, we about to open up a seasoning shop in this house after this package. Some, Chris said she's gonna use it all. Some basil leaves, okay. Don't stop, get it, get it. Oh snap. Ricky, brother, you about to be excited for this one. You love this. I love this. Therefore, we love this. It is Obey. It's things like this. I can taste it already, even though it may not go on crabs, even though it may not go on shrimp.
Can I taste it? Can I have some?
I mean, we're going to have some on food. We just not going to eat it out the jar. We're not going to do it like that. So what else do we have in here? What else do we have? We have some vegetable bouillon. Okay, I believe Chrystle used this in cooking. But it's like not only 2 packages, but it's 3 packages of the vegetable bouillon. Okay, 6 cubes in each one. So from 3 times 6 is 18. I was hoping you said it, but we're not there yet. Hold on, my brother. But nonetheless, not only do we have the garlic powder, but we also have a minced garlic. Okay, so you can get the little garlic crumbs, or excuse me, the onion crumbs in what you eating. Okay. Oh snap, ladies and gentlemen, we have some Lawry's. Okay,
yes,
if you know, you know. They put this on everything. Everything. Put this on some fries. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take it to the roof. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so good. But then also we have some bay leaves, all right? Flavoring about to be like home, okay? And lastly, we have, this one open, so it's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna just leave this back in the package. It is a chicken taco package. Man, that would have been good, because y'all know out here we're eating the chicken tacos, not the beef tacos yet. And so, man, this would have been good. But then also in the package there is some confetti, because it's a party! So again, we're thankful for the package that we have received. We are thankful to the ones that did send it. It's a family of 2, and we are thankful for you because now we have the things that's gonna make our eating extravaganzas go through the roof. Our Taco Tuesdays go up. Like this alone is the price of admission, I would say, right? I would pay 236 rands for this Tony's seasoning because I put this on everything, okay? Ricky does too. Ricky's like, can I get some more Tony's? It's not too spicy for me. It's not too spicy for me. Oh, now it's not too spicy for you. Interesting, says Rain. Oh, you did. But nonetheless, boom, it's here. And this right here, swag. You know what I'm saying? For the sake of, for those that don't know, this oatmeal cream pies,
It's amazing.
it's dangerous. This right here will have you eating snacks late. Y'all, it's been a while since I had chills opening this package. Oh my gosh. What's up?
Something.
Wait. Oh snap. Oh snap, because I love y'all. It's one for you.
Yes.
Ladies
Thank
first.
you.
And it's one for you. Because I love you and I love you. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What you think?
Eat it. Oh,
What do you think over here?
I need.
Huh?
Oh, me.
Huh? 10 out of 10? Recommend it to a
1,000
friend?
out of 1,000. I would give it to all my friends.
My God, got to be more careful. So it was worth it. I must say it was worth the extravagance of the wait and the wonderment of where the package was. Everything worked together for the good, which it usually does. Jesus did it. However, it was a good time. It was just, an experience. Now I know when packages are coming supposedly to where we live, it's going to where it was. And so we'll just check there first when somebody says the package is here, and I'll make sure I'm ready to pay because we're going to have to pay something. But nonetheless, oh my gosh, the cooking videos are about to go up. Our Taco Tuesdays, I won't have a Taco Tuesday like this week. They won't be talking about my tacos like they did this time because it's got to be elevated. So family, back in Tampa, we love you, we love you, we love you. We thank you, we thank you, we thank you. We pray a blessing over your family, over your household, over your finances for even paying $160 just to put that package in the mail, not even totaling the cost of the items that were in the package. So we love you, 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 and we thank you for all that you are, all that you will be, and all that God has for you. We speak a blessing and favor and open doors over your life as well as your daughter lives. We love you all, we appreciate y'all, we thank y'all. And man, if y'all want to send us a package, feel free. You know what I'm saying? A blessing will be prayed over you, and a thankfulness will come out of our hearts, and a heart of gratitude will be sincerely ours to you. But nonetheless, we love y'all. We appreciate y'all. This is a fun video. I could do this every day. Love you. Peace.